Thank you for registering for It's Cooler Plus. We have created this video to show you how to use the many features within the It's Cooler Plus dashboard. The first part of It's Cooler Plus, once you have signed into your dashboard, you will find YouTube running along the entire dashboard screen. Here you will be able to select your favorite YouTube video within this section here and then click on search and your YouTube videos will appear here. As well as having your YouTube, you will also be able to at present register your social media accounts to link into the same page as your YouTube. At present, we only have the Twitter account. However, shortly in our next release, you will be able to have LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Line, YouTube, Viber, as well as Skype and WeChat. These will be coming through in the coming months. Once you have signed into your social media, you will just click on this tab here and your social media feeds will appear, for which you can customize by using this pen for both your Twitter account and your YouTube. If you have registered for Hula TV, you will just click on this tab here and you will have to at present register directly with Hula, who is a third-party integrator into our platform, and your account will be set up directly with Hula through the It's Cooler Plus dashboard. This gives you the functionality of having your TV, your social media and news feeds all within one platform. Once you have registered for Hula TV, you can select the multiple screen option, which is here. So you can click on iTV and you will see iTV has appeared as a night screen for the moment. And then you can select BBC One.
Go, the travel
and
show,
BBC
Saturday
One
at
has also created here, and you will be able to select up to 4 live TV screens playing all within one browser, both on your laptop, PC, tablet, as well as your mobile telephone. And you will not need to use any VPNs whatsoever. The other feature, as I showed you previously here, is the YouTube. But you can also have your favorites by clicking on this tab. Once you have clicked on your settings tab, within your interest section, you can type in your favorite product that you are interested in. In this case, we have selected BB King, Jazz 60, Bloomberg TV as our favorites. And once you have saved them in here, you will then just go into Save Changes. Within the multi-screen option, you will be able to select whether you wish to have 4 YouTubes playing or 2 YouTube playing and 2 news feeds. And you would just simply tick on the boxes and select the number of you wish to have, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Once you have done this, again, you will just save it. Once saved, the platform will refresh, and then if I go into my BB King, I can now have my BB King playing here, as well as, if I wish, my workout video at exactly the same time. But if we go onto this tab here, which is the news feeds, you can click on this and you will now have a selection of countries for where we have news feeds as well as channels. Once you have selected your news feed, in this case we have ABC News, the news feed now will appear here. And what we are able to do, if I now go into country and I go on to United Kingdom and I decide I wish to have this one, you will find sometimes the new feeds are not working because of the security sometimes on some of the tabs, as you can see here. This does not happen all the time, but you may find this issue does appear occasionally. This is due to the integration of what we call the APIs. Now, as you can see here, we now have 2 news feeds and 2 videos, and we are able to select by using this tab and enlarge my news feed here, as well as now reducing the size of our videos, and we can change these very simply by a simple click. I hope this video gives you some more ideas of how to use Installer Plus and you enjoy using our service.